Okay, welcome to part 2 of our series on tiny machine learning. To implement our solution, we've chosen the Infineon PSoC 6 Artificial Intelligence Evaluation Kit. Again, a nice little kit, has the kind of computing power that we need on the device. It's a low power device. But one of the really interesting parts, of course, is it has a fairly complete set of interesting sensors, including radar, acoustic, pressure, and IMU. It also has a microphone. So we're going to make use of all those things as we complete our project. And this is the device. So one thing you're going to do is go ahead and plug in. The very first thing is go ahead and plug in your device. Here's a picture of mine just plugged in. Fortunately, the device already comes with a pre-programmed application on it that's going to allow us to access all the sensors that we're going to need to access to gather the data for our machine learning model training. So hopefully your device looks like something like this when you've plugged it in. Notice how we're going to use the USB port that's closest to the power connector up here. And the first thing we're going to do is just to make sure that we can communicate with the device. We're going to do that with a terminal. And we're going to go ahead and choose a terminal program. I've got TerraTerm on my computer. And it's fairly easy to configure. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my serial port. And at this point, I only have one device plugged in, so it's kind of self-selecting COM3. If I had more devices plugged in, I could see that here. If I needed to know which device it was, I could go to the control panel, look at my connections to the COM ports, and as I plugged and unplugged it, I would see this device. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And now I've got to do a couple of setup things. I'm going to set up my terminal. And there are two things I need to do here. One is local, and the other is on transmit, character return, and line feed. So if I set those two things, that's what needs to be set up from a terminal perspective. And if I go setup and serial port, I do need to select a different baud rate. It wants 115/200. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And everything else I think is good. So we're going to go ahead now and go into our terminal window. And I'm going to type in config ? And this is going to respond to me with the configuration of my device. So my device is all set up. It's telling me what's the name, the protocol version, and then these are the sensors that are available. I've got a microphone, accelerometer, a magnetometer, radar, and a number of others, gyroscope, everything that I might be able to use to build a sensor solution using machine learning. So again, this is the default program that's running on my device that already knows how to communicate over the serial bus. And in this case, it does in fact respond to config $. Now it has other commands it knows how to respond to as well. We're not going to need to know those, but that's going to be enough for us to verify that our device is connected correctly, talking over a serial port, and now set up so that we can actually use it to gather data.